Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with strength of materials. The first chapter is simple stresses and strains. Let's look at what is strength and what is stiffness. Strength is the ability to resist failure, while stiffness is the ability to resist deformation. Let's see the assumptions which are made in strength calculations of structural analysis. First, the material of the body has a solid continuous structure. Second, within the limits of part of the body, the material is homogeneous and isotropic, that is, it has identical properties at all the points and in all directions. Homogeneous means the body has same property and same direction at all points, while isotropic means the body has same property in all directions. If we combine these two, we will get a homogeneous and an isotropic structure which has same properties in all the directions at all the points. Third, there are no internal forces in the body prior to loading. In reality, this assumption is not true for any material, as all materials have internal forces. Under ordinary conditions, these forces are small and their effect is neglected. Fourth, principle of superposition is valid. It means that the effect of the system of forces acting on a body is equal to the sum of effects of these forces applied in succession and in any order. This assumption is justified when the deformations are small compared to the dimensions of the body. Fifth, St. Venant's principle is valid. At points in the body sufficiently away from the points of application of loads, internal forces are independent of the manner in which these loads are applied. If you loved this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I will be regularly uploading the videos. Comment under the video if you want any other concept to be explained. Thank you.